Hi, this is Dan Hamilton with the Hamilton Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker in Palm Desert, California. It's Monday, November 30th, and this is the Monday Minute, your weekly update on the local Palm Springs real estate market. Well, this week was Thanksgiving week, and basically the market took a holiday. Almost all of our numbers are down this week, so probably going to be an anomaly. So we'll look at the numbers briefly, but not sure we can extrapolate a lot because this was a holiday work week for many people. Our new listings, they dropped 33.1%, down to 279. That's interesting because if you look at the numbers since we've been tracking in late April, this is the lowest number of new listings we've seen since late April. So for buyers, it continues to be a very challenging market to find the perfect home in this market. Our new escrows are down this week 22.8% to 250. Again, that when you look at our normal trend, we've been bouncing around between 250 and 325. So the new escrow activity is not too far off from what's normal, but definitely is a drop from what we've seen the prior week. Our closed transactions this week were down 27.5% to 269. That drop off, really you could have predicted if you look, it correlates, this green line is the new escrows. It really correlates to a drop in some of the new escrows we saw about 30 days prior. So nothing too unexpected there with the closed transactions. Price reductions this week dropped 51.4%, so a significant drop in pricing activity. We're not really seeing, with a low inventory and the strength of our market, really any need for sellers who price their homes properly to do any price reductions at this point. Our average selling price dropped slightly this week over last week, 2.3% to $487,019. When we look at the month of November, we just completed, the average selling price was $503,186. That's almost flat with the number for October. So we'll continue to watch this going forward and see whether or not that continued upward pressure on pricing continues, especially given the lack of inventory in this market. In summary, we saw a drop in activity in all levels this week, and I attribute that primarily to the long holiday weekend. We'll continue to look at the numbers going forward and see what happens through December. I think that'll give us a good indicator of what's going to happen as we move into the high selling season. If you want to look at all the charts that accompany the update, you'll find them online at www.themondayminute.com. And if you're thinking about selling your home because inventory is low and we know we can get you a great price right now, call me at 760-625-7229 or text me at that number. I'll be happy to stop by and have a look at your home and tell you what I think it's worth in the current market. And if you're a buyer looking for a great home, don't miss out on our home search. It's really awesome at www.thehamiltonregroup.com. Thanks for joining me. Come back every week for the Monday Minute.